2 is now finally officially out here. And these are the Japanese sales for the first Switch 2 as well. So, the first week for Japan sales for the Switch 2 are in. And Famitsu has its first week for the Switch 2. The Switch 2 has sold 940,000 copies. Of course, this is not including My Nintendo Store sales, which means the Switch 2 has sold 1 million copies in Japan alone. Here, Mario Kart World sold 982,000 physical copies in Japan alone. Yeah, that's how many copies. Then we have Rune Factory, Fantasy Life, a guy ago who shows in some other games released for Nintendo Switch 1 as well here. But the Switch 2 has sold nearly 1 million copies in Japan. Also, then we have Yakuza 0, Tears of the Kingdom, Breath of the Wild. Probably people will be buying the Switch 2 versions as well here. Yeah, but Mario Kart World has sold a lot of copies. I'm not too surprised not many people will be buying Tears of the Kingdom, Breath of the Wild Switch 2 versions. Especially if you already own the game, like, if you already own the original Switch 1 version, there's no point in buying the Switch 2 version. Okay, but the Switch 2 has sold very, very well in its first week in Japan. Goodbye.